Welcome, in front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to enter BIOS on this laptop. So to do it, first you have to turn off your PC, and when it's turned off you're gonna have to power it on in a special way by pressing the power button once and then repeatedly clicking F2 key until you see the BIOS menu on your screen. So just press power button once and then press F2 key for a while, and in a couple of seconds the BIOS menu will appear right in front of you. Now to navigate in this menu you have to use left and right arrow keys to navigate between sections. To navigate between options, use down and up arrow keys. To select any option right here, press enter, and this way you can change the value by selecting enabled or disabled or other options using your down and up key to navigate and enter to select. To go back, press escape, and to restore default settings, press F9, then enter to confirm. To save settings, press F10 and then enter to confirm, and to exit without saving settings, press escape and enter to confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.